Here's a quick and simple guide on how to fix PayPal money on hold. When someone sends you money as goods and services, PayPal may place it on hold. Payments sent as friends and family are released instantly. So always check how the payment was sent. Log into your PayPal account and go to Activity. Find the payment that's on hold and click on it to view the details. If you sold something, make sure the order type is correct. Update it to product, service, or virtual item, depending on what you delivered. Next, click Add Tracking Info. If it's a physical product, enter the carrier and tracking number. If it's a service or digital item, select Order Processed or Service Delivered. Save your update. PayPal uses this information to verify the transaction. Once the order details are confirmed, PayPal usually releases the money within 24 to 48 hours. As your account gains more history, your hold limits will decrease over time, and that's it. That's how to fix PayPal money on hold and get your funds released.